If you're wondering how much Base44 costs, in this video I'll show you exactly where to check the pricing so you can choose the right plan for your needs. Just keep in mind that the price may vary over time, so the best way to get the current cost is to check directly inside Base44. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Base44 in your browser and log in to your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left navigation bar and click Upgrade Plan. This is where Base44 shows all of the available pricing options. After you click it, the plans will appear on the screen, usually with the included features and pricing details for each tier. Take a careful look at each plan and compare what's included so you can decide which one fits your needs best. If you only need the basics, choose the plan that matches your current usage. If you need more features or higher limits, check the higher tier options as well. Since pricing can change, always review the plan details before making a decision. Once you've found the right option, you can proceed with the plan that makes the most sense for your workflow and budget. And that's it. That's how you check how much Base44 costs. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides.